Hello my beautiful people. Thank you guys so much for clicking on this video and tuning into my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe. We are a growing family over here, and make sure to like this video if you like what you see. And in today's video, I'm just going to be getting ready for my brother's graduation. My brother graduated from high school this past weekend, and I was so thrilled to be there, and I was so proud of him. You know, the fact that he graduated from high school, that's a big deal. You know, he's an adult. So I said, you know, why not get cute, you know, for YouTube and film it and stuff like that. So I'm just starting off by stretching my hair, and I usually, you know, use my blow dryer on medium or low heat, and I'm just running it through my strands in medium sections. That way I'm able to get all my strands fully stretched. And in case you guys are not aware of this, it is extremely important to stretch your hair in order to maintain hair health. They recommend that your hair stays stretched at least 50% capacity most of the time, and that's because our scalp produces sebum, and the only way to get sebum onto our hair strands is to stretch it and manipulate it. So make sure you're not, you know, slacking on the hair stretching department. The one thing that I loved about this particular wash and go was how voluminous it was. I was so satisfied with the volume. I didn't even pick it. Like, that was kind of it. I really liked the density that it was at, so I was like, you know, why even bother picking? And it probably had to do with the gel that I used, which was from Aunt Jackie, and it was the elongating flaxseed gel. And I just went back in to stretch some pieces that weren't like fully stretched. You know how that goes. Shrinkage is no joke. And I feel like my hair, wants to stay in a shrunken state after like wash day. It's almost like it's telling me like, oh my God, just leave me alone. Just leave me be. It's so difficult to get my hair like fully stretched after right after I wash it. But yeah, so we have a voluminous wash and go here, guys. I did not pick my hair, not one bit. And as y'all can see, like, I slicked the front pieces of my hair. And that's because I just want to do something a little different. However, I probably should have, like, you know, re-slicked it with some gel to make it look more fresh. But, you know, it's okay. So now we're about to start our makeup. And I just want to say it feels so weird to be filming this makeup look because I've not done this in a minute. I've just been focused on my hair. But anyways, this makeup look is going to be so simple. Like, a baby could do this with their eyes closed. And we're just going to be taking two colors from this Morphe palette by Jaclyn Hill. And I always start off with this beigeish orange color as transition. I think that this is probably the best transition shade I've ever used because it just goes so well with like other colors. It's just perfect, honestly. And then I follow it up with that dark brown eyeshadow, and we're essentially creating a brown smoky eye. And I just love brown smoky eyes because it just does enough. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's not a black smoky eye because sometimes that can be a bit grunge. For example, you can't wear a black smoky eye during the day. That's kind of like a no-no. But with the brown smoky eye, it's doing enough, but it's still super calm and it's acceptable. It's acceptable whether day or night. And I just think that it just makes for the perfect soft glam everyday makeup look. And that's it. It's so simple and it just does enough. Then we're going to start on our face, and we're taking our primer and foundation. I like using this Fenty Beauty primer because it's also a good moisturizer. I don't know, maybe I'm just like weird, but I also use this to moisturize my face because I like how it makes my skin feel. And it just leaves a wonderful base for the foundation. Then I'm going in with my foundation, and I'm using this old Morphe brush. And I don't know why I decided to pick up this brush today because I've not like used it in so long. But I'm just putting that on my face, and I don't really like go in with a lot of foundation. I definitely still like for the glow that my natural skin gives to peek through my makeup. So I definitely try to use as little foundation as I possibly can. I mean, I use so little foundation to the point that I don't even use foundation on my forehead. I just take whatever is left from the brush and I just spread that all around my forehead, and you know, that's it. Now for my favorite part of makeup ever, I'm just taking these two different shades of concealers. One of them is from e.l.f. and the other one's from Fenty Beauty. And I go in with the e.l.f., which is the lighter shade, on the inner corners. And then I put the Fenty Beauty concealer on the edges of the e.l.f. concealer, just so it can assist me when I'm blending, because we do not like harsh edges, you know what I'm saying? So I find that whenever I put this darker shade of concealer around the edges of the lighter concealer, it makes for a much, much easier and flawless blend. Now, when it comes to contour, I like using this particular foundation stick from Colourpop, and that's because it has such a nice warm undertone, and it just like warms my face up just how I like it. And I'm also contouring my nose. I don't really contour my nose often, but I decided to attempt. And when I mean attempt, I mean I really don't know how to like properly contour, because I really don't contour most of the time, but I decided to do it today. And after contouring, we went ahead and set all of that product in using our Sasha Cosmetics Buttercup Powder. And this is an OG product. If you are someone who's been wearing makeup for 5, 6, 7 years, you are very aware of this product. And look at how good of a job it does at snatching my under eye up. If you're someone that feels like maybe your skin is too dry for powders, think again, honey. My skin is super duper dry, but I will never ever neglect a powder in my makeup routine. That is like the only way your face will look super snatched and super beat. And after using the setting powder, I always like to go in with a bronzer to further reinforce kind of what the contour is doing. You know what I'm saying? I feel like my face can never be too warm. The warmer it is for me, the better. And then I also went back into that dark brown shadow that I used for this smoky, because I wanted it to be a little bit deeper. You know, not grunge, but just a little bit deeper. And here my camera had died, unfortunately. So I kind of had to put on highlighter and my lashes off camera because I was in a rush. There was a time schedule. And for my lips, I just decided to keep it extremely simple. I kind of always keep my lips very simple. Honestly, I just feel most comfortable that way. And I started off using a brown lip liner. And guys, please make sure to blend out your lip liner, okay? It is important. People don't talk about it, but it's actually pretty important to blend out your lip liner. That's how you get that perfect nude gradient lip. You know what I'm saying? And then after I used the lip liner, I just paired two nude glosses together, and boom, this is the final look, guys. We have finally reached the end, y'all. Thank y'all so much for watching. This, I think it's safe to say, this is the ultimate soft glam look. It was perfect. It was exactly what I was going for. It wasn't doing a lot, but it was doing just enough. Okay? Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys so much for making it all this way. Okay, make sure you guys like this video. Make sure you subscribe, because like I said in the beginning, we are a growing family. And you know, just stay tuned for other videos. I have so many other like video ideas that are coming out, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Subscribe if you like what you see. And yeah, I guess I'll just see you guys in my next video. Bye.